Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain ncert 9th class exercise 3.3 problem number 2. Exercise 3.3, sorry, exercise 3.2 problem number 2. Exercise 3.2 problem number 2. In this it is asking the question to write the following by seeing the given figure. By using the given figure we are going to find out this one. By seeing the given figure we are going to find out the answer of the given figure. So here I have a diagram figure. Horizontal is x-axis, vertical is y-axis. Vertically y-axis. On this one, always upside it will be positive number. On x-axis vertically always it will be all the numbers will be positive. Here all the down. Here all the numbers will be negative. This is the center. Okay. Origin, where these two will meet, it's called as origin. Where these two will meet, horizontal and vertical meets, it's called as origin. Above to origin, it is positive. Below to origin, it is negative. And right side of the origin, it is positive. Left side of the origin, it is negative. Okay. That means it will form four quadrant: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay. Now first we will take the x, then we will take the y. Here the question is asking us the coordinate of B. What are the coordinate? Coordinate means we should take of x and y. X and y. What are the coordinate of B? Where point B it is here. Okay, point B is here. So first we will take of x, that is -5, and of y, that is 2. Answer is -5, 2. -5, 2. Next, the coordinate of C. Coordinate of C. Where you will find C? C is here. C is here. Now tell me what is there on x-axis? X is 5. Again, next y is how much? -5. 5 comma minus 5. 5 comma minus 5. 5 comma minus 5. First you will write x, then you should write y. Always remember, first you will write x, then you will write y. Next question. The point identified by the coordinates -3 comma -5. Where is -3? On x-axis you find out -3. -3 comma -5. The point is E. -3 comma -5. Point is E. E is the answer. E is the answer of this. Next, the point identified by the coordinate 2 comma -4. Where is 2? 2 comma -4. You should go down. That is G. 2 comma -4. G. It is G. Answer is G. Here I am writing solution. Okay. Don't get confused. Fourth up to here. Next, fifth. The axis of the point D. Where is point D? Here, point D. Axis is x or y. X coordinate is called as x is called as axis, y is called as ordinate. Okay. So axis means we should write off x only. So what is x? What is there on x? 6. Axis is how much? We will take 6 comma 2. So axis is how much? Solution. Answer is 6. Next, the coordinate of the point H. Where is H? Where you will find H? H is here. Ordinate means y-axis. Ordinate is y-axis. First we will take -5 comma -3. What is y? -3. Ordinate is -3. Now next, the coordinate of the point. The coordinate of the point. The coordinate of the point L. Where you will find L? Where is L? See, L. Coordinate means x and y. We should take x and y. What is there on x-axis? 0 and y-axis 5 because it is on the same point. Okay. So solution is 0 comma 5. 0 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. Next, the coordinate of the point M. Where you will find M? M is here. So what is on x-axis? -3. And y-axis, what it is on y-axis? Now M, for point M, it is x is -3. What will be my y will be y? It is lying here only. So y will be 0. Y will be 0. So answer is -3 comma 0. Answer is -3 comma 0. Hope everyone understood. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, write in the comment box. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. share my videos, like my videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.